Hey everyone, my name is Lauren. I'm going to be talking to you today about sharing a Google Doc and allowing that person to edit your Google Doc. So as you can see here, I wrote a couple paragraphs about my theme that I'm going to be using this semester. And here is where you go to share that Google Doc, and then you can type in here where you want, like whoever you want to share that with. And then they can edit, can comment, or can view. I let them edit it. Then you'd click done. And then as you can see, my good friend Maddie made a couple of comments, and then I can reply back to them. And she made a few critiques to it, and then I can edit those, and then she can also see that I made those edits and reply back to them if needed. So that's how you share a Google Doc with someone, and you can collaborate on them very easily, and it's a very resourceful tool when you want to do some collaborative work. So, thanks!